like a tenant calls and says, "Hey, the remote control on, let's just say you have a ceiling fan with a battery that fails, like
Right.
the battery's bad,
Right.
and you've got regular batteries. What is that the responsibility of the?
Well, I mean, what's the responsibility of the landlord is, for example, as I mentioned, stuff that requires safety and necessity. You know, smoke detectors, carbon dioxide. You got to replace those batteries. Another thing that's
Right.
important as a landlord is I would periodically check on your tenants because what people do, and we all do this, unfortunately. I mean, even as homeowners, you get that annoying beeping noise of a low battery when
At
people
2
do.
a.m.
Yeah, and they disconnect it and then they forget to go replace it or whatever. Just remove it. Not a big deal. You as a landlord won't know unless you go inspect the property.
You know the best place for a carbon monoxide or a smoke detector at 2 a.m. is in the refrigerator because it's insulated and you won't hear chirping anymore. Tell me how. Of course, don't ever do that. But
That was a
that was horrible advice, right?
bad
Don't.
one. Yeah.
Yeah, but think
That's
about
like
it. That's the best place to put it if you
dad
just
joke F.
bombed.
Yeah, exactly.
It's probably gonna bomb from a legal perspective too. Because if you give anybody that advice,
You're not gonna put a smoke detector in the
oh
refrigerator.
hell, dude, no. But I mean, I'm just saying, 2 a.m. You
We're
don't
done.
have a 9-volt battery and it's beeping and you're not sleeping.
No, no, dude, no. I mean, no. You can disconnect it. You just gotta
Yeah,
get up
I
and
know. But the
disconnect it.
thing is, even if you unplug it and you take it off the ceiling and you unpop it off, it'll still keep chirping.
The when you remove the battery.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Well, then just slice it and get another one.
No,
Yeah.
I'm telling you, like mine at home is
You put yours in the fridge.
it. Actually, the last time it went under one of the
Yeah.
beds. It just went under the
Confessions
bed.
of Edward Gonzalez.
Yeah, I know.
You
My 2
Oh, so
a.m.
you have done it. See, so everybody does it because again, it always happens at 2 a.m. And the other thing annoying about it is that you try to figure out which room it's in, right? You know, sometimes
Yeah.
when it's
Oh,
big,
yeah.
you just
Standing in the
you're just
hallway with
standing-
all the doors.
you're just standing around looking around. Okay, no, oh here, oh here, oh here.
Oh, you 2 a.m. sitting in your hallway,
Yeah.
like going with all the doors
Yeah.
open. Yeah, it's a.
And who
it's
knows
a
what you're doing at 2 a.m. to all of a sudden have to get up and get up on the
Usually
steps.
sleeping, man. Nowadays, back in the day, maybe a little more crazy stuff, but nowadays it's probably just a lot of sleeping.